Hi. Hi.
Is that Oppa? He wants to try to eat your hand. Is that Oppa? Where's Oppa? There he is!
Hi.
There's Oppa! Good job. Look at
He's
that.
gonna look like, I think he's gonna be like you, where when he gets older, he's just gonna look like this, but just older. That's how you were ever since you were a baby. Your looks never changed much. Hi.
I love that he's got like a flirt smile. No matter who it is, he's like got like this funny little smile.
He feels so soft and smooth.
How do you say I love you in German?
Sieg Heil.
Is that Oppa?
Hi.
Do you remember Oppa from when he was here a couple months ago? I bet you miss Oma.
Kim just died from envy.
Well, I'm actually videotaping right now so she can see it on Facebook. Say Oma.
Hey, Oma.
Nehemiah. Hey, Juju.
Hi, Oma. Hi, Oma. Hi, I want to say hi to Oma up there. Here, never care.
Hello.
Oh.
Ooh, and there's
There's
something
coming up.